The more widely known ibis is the Australian white ibis, once believed to be related to the African sacred ibis, but it is an Australian native bird. They tend to be opportunistic scavengers, are spread in urban areas like pigeons are in other main cities in the world. Here's some shots in parks and wetlands with its natural behavior. The straw-necked ibis is widespread across much of the Australian mainland, as well as other regions outside the continent. The name comes from the yellow throat plumes on its neck. It also has a glossy blue-black back, and wings with metallic shine colours. The straw-necked ibis has earned its nickname of farmer's friend by feeding on grasshoppers and locusts. The royal spoonbill is a large white water bird with black, spatulate bill. When they are breeding, they develop a lush crest of white feathers from the back of their heads, and colored patches appear on the face. The royal spoonbill is a carnivorous aquatic bird, catching crustaceans, fish and small insects by sweeping its bill through shallow water and swallowing prey once detected. Australian subspecies, adapted from the only species spread all over the world on coastal areas. Here nesting in an artificial pole. The distinctive call of the whistling kite is, unsurprisingly, a clear whistle, which begins by descending down the scale, followed by an upscale staccato chatter, given by birds as they fly overhead or when perched. The wedge-tailed eagle is the largest bird of prey in Australia, and is also found in southern New Guinea. It has long, fairly broad wings, fully feathered legs, and an unmistakable wedge-shaped tail. The brown falcon is one of the most widespread birds in Australia. They are most commonly seen perched on power poles, or hovering or flying back and forth over open habitats, especially grasslands and low shrublands. The Australian hobby, also known as the little falcon, is one of 6 Australian members of the family Falconidae. This predominantly diurnal bird of prey derives its name longipennis from its long primary wing feathers. The purple swamp hen has a resplendent purple-blue neck, breast and belly, and a gaudy, oversized bill and frontal shield. Found in almost any wetlands in Australia, shown feeding chicks with vegetal matter after shredding it first. The dusky moorhen is a medium-sized, dark navy-black water bird with a white undertail. It has a red bill with a yellow tip and a red facial shield. It is widespread in eastern and southwestern Australia. The Eurasian coot, with its sooty black plumage and gleaming white bill and frontal shield covering its forehead, is a familiar bird across Europe and Asia, as well as Australia.